Hey, this is Drinking a Beat, and I'm here with Soundlyawake.
My favorite song of the past year is definitely All You're Waiting For by Classixx.
Hey, wait a minute, just a minute. I was ready for the flight. Got my bags packed, waiting on the driver curbside. So just a minute, take a minute for the change up. I was set to go.
And we're gonna make the hurricane. Here's what we'll need. Half ounce of orange.
I love passion fruit, as eyeball-y as it may look. Frog eyes. Looks like frog eyes. Or tadpoles. Frog eggs.
Ounce and a half of passion fruit. That looks so gross. Last time I used passion fruit in a drink.
Well, we have some frog eggs swimming in our juice bucket.
So gross looking.
We got gypped! No!
Extra orange.
Oh, sorry.
I'm all wet right now.
Me too.
Half ounce of lime juice. Gotta go through the whole
This way. Oh, just kidding. I knew that. I was testing you. I love limes.
We're cheating a little bit on the pineapple. Half an ounce of pineapple.
Oh, juice it. Oh, God, sorry. I'm gonna do one at a time this time. This 2 was a little juicy. You didn't see that. I saw that. I saw that occurring. Oh, no. This drink is all I'm waiting for.
So half ounce of grenadine.
The important parts.
Ounce of dark rum.
Yeah.
Half ounce of white rum.
More liquor.
Ow. Everybody in the world is deaf now.
Yum. Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed to Nick's channel, Soundlyawake,
Come to me.
click here. And if you want to see more drinks and the beats, hit subscribe.